to do the plane circular curve at this point B and the spiral curve at this point C. We know that the radius at point B is 28 is 305.76.17, so we're going to draw 350 meter. I'm going to use the start end radius. Okay, and this end we're going to use the spiral curve. I need to offset from TS to the left, to the right, sorry, to the left, and from ST to the right, a distance of the shift distance. This is 16.64 meter. So to offset 16.64. So offset, and this distance and this point will be the new point. This one will be the SC, and this point will be CS, and we need to offset a distance, shift distance P, 0.34854. In this case I put 0.35 inwards from the into the center of circle, so that the curve will be shifted in by distance of 0.35. So I will offset 0.35. Okay, so I will just trim the extra length, trim that off, and then trim off the extra length. Okay, so I'm going to do the arc from SC to CS, start end radius, start and at a radius of 150. Okay, so this point from TS to SC is a shift distance. Okay, so it's the shift distance, that's right, 16.64. so we'll join up by a straight line. Okay, and then this point as well, line, and I will delete this this line. Okay, I'll turn off the existing center line now. Okay, so the thing is that I want to do single line, the polyline along this, so that later on I can do the chainage. So what I will need to delete some of the extra line here. So I will just trim from this point to ST, I'll trim that line, and also this arc as well, this the original line, I'll trim it from to these 2 points, these 2 lines. Okay, I'll try to make into a polyline. So I type pedit enter one, yes, join, so join all this line, enter again. So there's a single line. Okay, now we need to put the change in. We need to do the change mark and the change value. So I just copy this line, the whole line. I cut off a bit to do the change marks. So I trim it off. Erase the unwanted point. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to move it from the center point to the starting line. Okay, and I copy a text as well. I'm going to rotate it so that it's perpendicular to the existing line as well. Okay, about that, right? So I move it. I just change it to 0. Okay. So I'm going to array it to the whole curve. So I'm going to use a command array path. So this is the array path. So I'm going to select this change mark and as well the text. Enter. Select curve. This is the curve, and I'm going to go through and select the item. In this case, the interval between the cross section is 20 meters. So I type in 20. Enter. Okay, so these are the point, the point we can use. We explore them. Explore this. Enter. Then we can later we can just edit all those the individual change mark. Okay, so then we need to do the change this one, the distance as well for the all these the marks, the point along the curve. So we can after we finish with this, then we can turn on the layer, just in this case just the contour, the major and the minor. Let's turn them on. Okay, then we do some labeling, label the things, and then it will look like something like this. Okay, with all the changes 0, 20, 40 and so on, and all the label the IP as well, and then label central line and then all these change point as well, to label all of them. Okay, and put them in the layout plan.